We can conduct the same process for any other layout.
Every year in Material Science and Engineering Department of University of Washington, we hosted this research and industry showcase to celebrate the deep connections between University of Washington MSE department and the local industry that hire our graduates and also help extending the research and education. We invite local engineers, a lot of them are our alumni, to come back to celebrate their career with our department.
In the Material Science Engineering Department, I really got to survey the whole diversity of engineering across mechanical, electrical, chemical engineering departments. And what really interested me most about material science was putting these all together and having the culmination of these disciplines.
Material science has affected my career in that it allows me to wear those different hats. It allows me to talk to the scientists as a scientist, and it allows me to talk to the engineers as an engineer and work in that bridge between the two. We're always working in this interdisciplinary role, so we get to wear the engineer hat, we get to wear the science hat.
With my degree in material science, I knew that I could basically work in any engineering field. The materials and processing discipline is critical to the success of a lot of, whether it's in aerospace, electronics. It really doesn't matter how clever your design is. It will always be limited by the material you choose to make things out of.
When we are trying different materials, we can use these type of simulations in order to find somehow the best combination of material, for example, fiber and resin, what properties, and then we can go and test that particular one.
In this event, we have our students showcase their research, their capstone projects, and interact with alumni and industry, getting suggestions and questions to know what they should actually be developing in their career and then prepare for their future.
I had a lifelong passion for making impact through technological advancements since age of 15. But definitely I wasn't imagining myself developing biosensors and also getting so comfortable with integrating technologies.
The UW has a great support program for getting students exposed to both research and industry. In particular, the MSE department. I think that was very helpful for me to get my toe into the water of applying the jobs, looking at what might be around the Seattle area and things like that.
We are very lucky to have
one of my favorite parts is be able to see some of our students who were able to come back and showcase what they did in the industry and let us know how much they're enjoying material science in industry as well.
I really enjoy my job. I get to build these test articles and take them to different facilities around the country at NASA, the Air Force Research Laboratory, and various other industry test facilities that I can expose these materials that we're developing to these different conditions. I've leveraged material science work and education that I acquired here in many different ways in my career.
The aerospace industry is extremely exciting. There's so much opportunity, so much research left to be done, so many things to learn. I think that materials engineering is, I hate to say it, but it's just really, really fun. It's really exciting. We do a lot of testing. We do a lot of development. We're looking at how the molecules are interacting and then how that builds up into, tangible structures. So we're really kind of that link from the macro or from the micro to the macro. And it's a very cool place to be.
I'm a research scientist working in the augmented reality and virtual reality field. I think going into the material science field is really what's giving you that foundation of understanding the world at large. And I think that is the most important thing for you to be a scientist in a certain application.
This turns out to be very important.
I can clearly see that the students know more about what they're gonna do in their future. And then I can clearly see that they engage with a lot of local companies and mentors to dedicate their life in this materials and engineering.
Here's our selfie. We can